Hey, and welcome to episode 12 of Luke's Man Cave here at Good Guys Garage, and we do some stuff.
I'm racing.
More new parts. New rear number plate, front and rear number plates in fact. Carried out the service. That is a Bosch fuel filter. Nice new oil. Bosch oil filter with sump plug washer. New O-rings. You also get a nice new washer on the top of that, I know. Tighten it down. I went for Shell Helix Ultra engine oil. Plug, plug, plug. Many litres. That was about 60 quid worth of oil, that. Soon adds up. In go the new spark plugs. There was a slight misfire. I was like, that's weird. Let's check the spark plugs. Sorry, my elbow's in the way. Put this on a bit of a time lapse, make it a bit quicker. There is 6 of them after all. I found a little bit of water down in there, just where it's been stood for so long, I suspect. Blow that all out. Retrieve the old spark plugs. You'll see them in a second coming up. There we go. Old one versus new. Tighten them down by hand. Coil packs back in their locations. Don't forget the 2 earth straps. There she is, all the little connectors on and shit. Oh, look at that. Gun them down. Finish it off by hand. Air filter. Do not scratch the paintwork. Wasn't minging, but definitely due replacement. Nice new Bosch filter. We like Bosch stuff. Generally it's good quality. Reasonably priced. And she goes a little bit tight. There she goes. Good quality seal. Don't want any air leaks in that. Goes in with a positive click. Good girl. And that is the end of the service. Sort of power steering line, and we take it for tracking. A leaky power steering line. It was a very leaky power steering line. Leaking from here. Let's get that replaced. So I've been down at Amber's this morning, friends down at Amber Hydraulics, and they have replicated the leaky power steering pipe. They charged me £85 plus the VAT, obviously, because nobody does cash deals anymore. Let's get it fitted. I looked at a genuine one from BMW. They wanted £155 plus the VAT. I just couldn't justify it. Fill up the gearbox. Filter spill. Same with the rear diff. And we're all done. She is beautiful. All ready for her MOT. Side skirts are on now. Under trays are on. Look at that. Everything's like brand new. I'll fit the wheel centre caps as well. You'll see them. Interior is all good. I need to put some petrol in it, mind. To the the MOT station. Past emissions because we've still got all the caps on. That's the indicators. Optional extra on a BMW. This is fitted. Brake lights work, and we've got a pass. So there we are. That is the end of episode 12 of Luke's Man Cave. The E36, she passed her MOT with flying colours. I'm stoked. This is the penultimate episode. We've got a bit of an exciting one for next time. We're going to get a man in for a big detail, so everything on it will be like brand new, as well as the everything on it that's like brand new. And then we've got a professional firm coming in to film it and do all the rolling shots and do all the proper stuff, because I am not very good at making videos. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you next time.